Hello, lovely writers. This week's Writerly Wednesday is a little bit different. I mentioned it on previous weeks. I'm bringing you sort of a compilation video on behind the scenes, a little bit about what it's like here in my workspace and what delights me. All kicked off because somebody in the comments of a YouTube vid said they like the sound that you might be hearing right now, which are the wind chimes. It's been really hard for a lot of us throughout the last couple of years, a lot of us being stuck inside either for months and months, or even if it's just weeks, we've had our routine thrown up in the air and have felt locked down. And some of that lockdown feeling could have affected your writing and your creativity. So I just wanted to share some of the things that I do. Hopefully you'll get something from this little compilation series, maybe some inspiration on things you can bring back to your own life that give you some joy. As always, I say if you aren't having fun doing it, take a break until you are having fun again. So here's another behind the scenes. As you may have heard me say heaps of times, if I'm feeling a little bit unwell, especially if I get locked in too much and I'm not using my energy, one of the quickest ways for me to shift things is to get out and move. So I've got Puppy here, and I've got this beautiful lake here, and I've got my legs to walk. It needn't be a big one, but just a small shift. Do something to move and probably get outside in the fresh air if you can. You can see it's not a beautiful day. We're not talking about a sunny day. So I slap on a hat and I rug up. I've got a few layers going, and I just get to moving so that I can show up in my writing or for my writers in a way that feels really good to me. Give it a shot. And I'm wishing you all a beautiful Writerly week, and I'll see you again next week for our regular Writerly Wednesday. Bye.